Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield wipers. I've got these ones here from MotorMaster. They are less than $5 and we're going to show you how to replace them. First thing you need to do is you need to bring these up. As you can see, I have a block, my hood is blocking this and I can't really bring it up, so we'll need to start the car. So I started my car, and what I want to do is I want to use the windshield wiper. Basically, you can see it's moving, and what I want to do is I want to stop it in the vertical position. So I just want to turn off the car when they are in the vertical position like this. So I stopped the car, they stopped as well. Now we're gonna get out of the car. In this position, it's really easy just to pull them up like this. By the way, in the winter, it's better to leave your wipers like this. When it's snowing and there's lots of ice, it will last much longer. Now on the wipers, we have this little button. What we're gonna do is we're gonna press it and simply push this out, and it goes in this direction. You can see a little I don't know if you can see, but there's a little triangle. So we press on it and push it out. There you go. And one more. There it is. Now if you don't know the size of yours, you can take your old ones out, go to the store, and just make sure they're the same size. The next step, we put the new ones in. Now this one have a little bit of a different system. They don't clip, they slide in. So just read the manual for yours. They don't have a button here, but there's, let me show you, there's little grooves here on these one, and these metal grooves here, they are holding it. So it's slightly different system. And then this one comes in and locks it in place. The next step is to take off these protective guards. They just slide off. And we put these down, and we just want to make sure that it's not going over the glass. So if it's let's say here up to here, well, it's too big. You need a shorter one. Next, we start the car. Check that they're working. You also want to check that they are not overlapping here, right? That we have some distance between. Here covers the whole glass. And that's how you change windshield wipers. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.